So hello friends, I'll be explaining about the high density lipoprotein, which is also called as LDL cholesterol or LDL lipoprotein. So high density lipoprotein is the one which is found in liver as well as intestine. Where is it found? It is found in the liver as well as intestine. So high density lipoprotein is the one which is found in liver as well as intestine. So now we'll study about the shape of the HDL cholesterol. So it is in discoid shape. It is in discoid shape. You know the shape of RBC, biconcave shape or discoid shape. So high density lipoprotein is discoid shape. Remember it as discoid shape. And its core will be empty first. Core is empty. So there will be requirement of enzyme in the HDL formation. The enzyme is L-cat. Remember it as L-cat. So the name of the enzyme is lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. Lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. So remember this enzyme, lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase, is an enzyme which is required for the formation of high density lipoprotein. So now we'll study about the formation of high density lipoprotein. First, phospholipids and free cholesterol So there will be phospholipids as well as free cholesterol. So phospholipids as well as free cholesterol, they will lead to the formation of cholesterol ester as well as lecithin. So there will be phospholipids as well as free cholesterol, which leads to the formation of lysolecithin as well as cholesterol ester. The enzymes which is required is HDL, that is high density lipoprotein, plus L-cat. I have said you the full form of L-cat, that is lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. So these two enzymes converts the phospholipids and free cholesterol to cholesterol ester as well as lysolecithin. What happens in the sense, the cholesterol ester will be transferred to the core of the nascent HDL. Okay, see, I had drawn the shape that time. It is in this shape. So what happens? The cholesterol ester will be transported to core of nascent HDL here. So it will be transported into the core of nascent HDL. Since there will be increase in the cholesterol ester in core, there will be increase in the cholesterol ester in the core. What happens in this is, the cholesterol ester which was in discoid shape will get converted into spherical shape. The cholesterol ester, the HDL molecule which was in discoid shape will get converted into spherical shape. Why? Due to the accumulation of cholesterol ester. See, there will be accumulation of the cholesterol ester, so shape is getting changed from discoid shape to spherical shape. There will be so many molecules of cholesterol ester found in this cholesterol. It gets converted into spherical shape. So this is nascent HDL which gets converted into mature HDL. Why? Due to the presence of enzyme cholesterol ester. It's getting converted into nascent HDL into mature HDL due to the presence of enzyme cholesterol HDL. Now we'll see the structure of this HDL. What are those elements which are required for the formation of HDL? So if this is HDL structure, so what are those which are required for the formation of HDL? First one is cholesterol ester, main one. Cholesterol ester is required. Second one is cholesterol is required for the formation of HDL. Third one is TAG, triacylglycerides, is required for the formation of HDL. Fourth one is phospholipids. These are required for all of those lipoprotein formation. So next one, here there is ApoA enzyme, ApoC enzyme, as well as the ApoE enzyme. ApoB is absent. ApoB is present in LDL and absent in HDL, whereas ApoA is present in chylomicrons as well as the HDL. So remember these two things. So ApoC and ApoE helps in the formation of chylomicrons as well as VLDL. Helps in formation of VLDL and chylomicrons. It helps in the formation of VLDL as well as the chylomicrons. So this HDL will be transported into liver. So HDL will get transported to liver, which release cholesterol to extrahepatic tissues, So there will be release of the cholesterol to extrahepatic tissue. HDL formation requires cholesterol ester, cholesterol TAG, phospholipids, ApoA, CE, ApoC and E is required for the formation of VLDL and chylomicrons. So this HDL gets transported to liver, and in the liver it releases cholesterol, which will be transported to extrahepatic tissues. Now let's study a small detail about the cholesterol. So normal level of cholesterol in our body is 150 to 220 mg per dl. Remember this thing. So normal level of cholesterol in our body is 150 to 200 mg per dl. Then always the LDL and HDL ratio, always the LDL as well as HDL ratio should be less than 2.5. Always the ratio of the low density lipoprotein is to high density lipoprotein should be less than 2.5. Then we'll study about normal level of LDL and normal level of HDL. Normal level of LDL as well as normal level of HDL, which should be less than 130 mg per dl. LDL should be less than 130 mg per dl and HDL should be greater than 60 mg per dl. HDL should be greater than HDL should be greater than 60 mg per dl. LDL should be less than 130 mg per dl. LDL is to HDL ratio should be less than 2.5. Normal level of cholesterol should be 150 to 200 mg per dl. And in cholesterol, there are two types. One is good cholesterol, one is bad cholesterol. So good cholesterol is required for our body and bad cholesterol should be eliminated from the body. So I'll tell you a chart which you have to remember for good cholesterol and bad cholesterol, their definitions. So write liver here and write extrahepatic tissues here. LDL here liver here, extra hepatic tissue here, do a arrow mark here and do a arrow mark here. So see, remember this thing. Wait, let me complete the chart, then explain. Okay, so HDL is getting converted in from extrahepatic tissues to liver is called as good cholesterol. LDL, which is getting converted from liver to extrahepatic tissues, is called as bad cholesterol. I'll repeat it once again. HDL, which is getting converted into extrahepatic tissues to liver, is called as good cholesterol, whereas LDL, which is getting converted from liver to extrahepatic tissues, is called as bad cholesterol. So this is all about the HDL. Very important topic. LDL, HDL, ILDL, intermediate low density lipoprotein, chylomicrons. Out of these 4 topics, any one question will be asked for your finals. So we'll study about the lipotropic factors in the next video. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.